Hi there, Caroline here, and welcome back to my channel. I recently hit 1000 followers on my Instagram. Thank you so much to my Instagram followers and also YouTube subscribers. I thought on doing a dedicated page just for a thank you picture, but I changed my mind, so I went with a note that is on top of the cake because I want to integrate it in the spread. This video is also very short because the spread is a little bit more simple. I just wanted all the focus to be on the cake slice. I should stop bubbling and let you see the process. By the way, in this video, once again, the light changes because it was cloudy that day. That's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. All the materials I used will be in the description box below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!